friends, welcome to my channel. There are many new YouTubers now watching this video and you wanted a microphone like this. Yes, I'm going to give a review, which is the one I'm wearing it now. I have few more boxes like this. PowerDeWise gave me as a complimentary of these devices. I'm going to send some packages to you as complimentary gift from my channel. So if you want to receive a package from me, watch till the end of the video. I will tell you the conditions for this giveaway. Okay, so first of all, before seeing the review of this, I am going to tell you some useful tips for new YouTubers, because due to this COVID season, many people are very bored at home. They want to do something useful, so they start trying to create a YouTube channel. So if you are best at cooking or drawing, artwork, house organizing, or something like weight loss recipes which I share, whichever you are good at, you can showcase your talent and start a YouTube channel. And guess what? You can even earn money from that. So I will share my journey with you, like how long it took for me to earn money from my channel, how tough it is to grow subscribers, and how easy it is to make your channel a very popular one. So this video is going to be useful for many new YouTubers. Do not miss to watch till the end of the video to receive a giveaway from me. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Okay, first of all, let me give a disclaimer. Yes, earning from YouTube is not very easy, but once you start earning, then the curve goes up. Yes, it is like a iterative income, because you can even earn money from your old videos too. So once your channel gets monetized, then you can start earning very pretty good. But getting monetized is what very tough, right? Because earning the first 1,000 subscribers is really a hard job. Even for me, it was a really hard job. It took me nearly 1 year. But guess what? Nowadays it's very easy, friends. Yes, many people are starting YouTube channel. Many people are viewing YouTube videos more than TV. People are preferring to watch YouTube videos. So if you are providing a valuable content, a very good quality content, then definitely you can get more subscribers in a very short period of time. The quality of the content of what you are giving is very important, because if it is good, then definitely people will subscribe to your channel. So both the quality of the video should be good as well as the quality of the content should be good. Many people start cooking channel now. But if you want to stand out of the crowd, then your cooking channel should showcase something different, like you can improve the quality of the video, or you can talk something very similar to what they can relate, like with the recipes you can give some interesting cooking tips too, or you can cook in a very attractive utensils which attract many women out there. So if you have seen a lot of cooking videos, there are many channels which have very beautiful vessels and utensils in their kitchen, and people watch their videos to see these utensils itself. So you can give tips like where to buy these vessels, how you purchase those things. Likewise, you can give additional tips too. So if you do something like this, then your cooking channel will stand like separately from the entire crowd, and also improve the quality of the video. Like how I'm using this mic now. When I'm using this mic, the quality of the audio content is very good comparatively when I'm not using the mic. And also when you are in a big ground, or when you are in the park, or when you are vlogging your day-to-day activities, like when you are in a shopping mall, if you wear a mic, then your voice will be very clearly audible. If you don't wear a mic, then lot of noises, the background noise will be much more louder. So start using a mic like this. It will improve the quality of your content. So this is where I started using PowerDeWise. So PowerDeWise comes in a very beautiful package. This is a pouch which is very nice. I love this pouch really very much. Okay, now let's open the pouch and see what's inside. So this is the mic. There is a clip with the mic. You can pin it onto your shirts or a kurta or t-shirts, and this is the other end. This is the extension cable. So if you are talking very long distance, then you can use this extension cable. These are additional things for you. So you can, if suppose the mic wears out, this cover wears out, this is the additional parts they have given. So this one, when I started using, it was really good. I will show you a sample video with and without mic with my daughter. You will feel really interesting to watch that. You can clearly find out the difference with and without mic. It will be very helpful.
Hi, so my name is Shivani, and I'm gonna speak in this channel for a minute. And look at the weather; it's so nice. There's so many clouds here, and it's so good. Even if it's the COVID-19 time, still we can enjoy it. Hi, my name is Shivani, and today I'm gonna be talking about the weather. So the weather is very nice today. It's so cloudy and it's so nice. Even if it's the COVID-19 time, it's still good to enjoy the weather.
So yes, you saw this, the PowerDeWise. You would have find out the difference very clearly. This is very useful, friends. You can purchase one like this, or if you want a free giveaway from me, comment below this video your channel name and also follow me on Instagram. Take a screenshot of both the comment and the following my page screenshot and send it to my email ID letstalknila@gmail.com. So I will see your channel, whether it is good or whether your content is good, and depending on that I will gift you this device. Okay, so what's more you're waiting? Come on, follow my channel and drop me a comment and send it as a mail to me. Definitely I will send you a giveaway. Okay friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel because I will be posting more useful tips like this. Okay friends, bye.